Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling a map on the Outlook account because Gmail imports mail via a map. This keeps folders and read status synced. Once done, make sure you have either the account password or an app-specific password if two-factor is enabled. You'll also verify SMTP settings for sending as that Outlook address. Now open Gmail settings and choose to add another account so you can enter the Outlook credentials. This begins the secure transfer process. You'll proceed through Gmail's Add Account flow and type the Outlook email. Choose Gmailify for full integration, or select POP3/IMAP depending on your preference. IMAP is recommended to preserve folder structure. Next, enter the server names, ports, and SSL/TLS choices exactly as Outlook specifies. Incorrect ports block sync. Make sure the SMTP credentials match the Outlook account so outgoing mail uses that address. Once connected, Gmail will You finalize by configuring send mail as so replies come from the Outlook address and set a default if needed. This preserves identity. Then create a label or filter to separate Outlook messages and confirm folder sync and sent mail behavior by sending test emails both directions. If something fails, check common causes, wrong ports or server names, disabled IMAP, two-factor blocking, or incorrect app passwords. Fix that, re-authenticate, and retest until sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.